So hello, what's up guys, welcome to another video. In this video we will explain a very fantastic tricks. Okay, and if you're new on my channel, please subscribe this, and if you like this video, so please like this. And so today we are know how to make your computer to call your name on Windows starting. Okay, so for know this trick, please watch this video till the end and please not skip any moment, otherwise you will get something, you will lose something important. Okay, so first you need to open your notepad. Okay, open this, and here you just need to type them, then speaks comma speech. Okay, after this you just need to speaks and then equal, then quotes. In between these two quotes you have to write whatever you want to call from your PC. Okay, so I am going to type welcome Nikki. Okay, after this you just need to other line type set speech equal create object and then bracket and then sapi.spvoice. Sapi.spvoice is one of the voice command of our systems or any Windows or PC. This is the voice command of our PC. This will recognize our PC. This voice, this text welcome Nikki will be available on this voice. Our PC only know this voice. Okay, so after this you just need to type speech and then dot speak. Okay, and then space speaks, speaks. Okay, and then you have to save it. Okay, and one of the most important thing, you just need to save it. I'm going to save it with the welcome, and you just need to save it with the extension VVS. Okay, you can see that welcome.vvs. okay, if you will not type this .vvs, this will not work. Okay, this will not work, so save it and then close it. So you can see on my desktop the .vvs file has been created, and when I open click on this will say that welcome Nikki.
Welcome Nikki.
You can listen.
Welcome Nikki.
Do you listen?
Welcome Nikki.
If listen this, please tell me in comments, and if you like this. So for make it to call your name while Windows is starting, you just need to copy or cut it from here. Okay, and open your run command, run. Okay, here you just need to type this command, my following command, SHELL then colon startup. Okay, see that, cell colon startup, then okay, you just need to paste it here. Okay, so after this I'm going to restart my PC. Okay, so let's see. As you can see, I'm restarting my PC. Okay, so now it will call my name. Okay, let it open. Okay, it is asking for password. I am entering my password, and after that it will call my name. Okay, Okay.
Welcome, Nikki.
Oh, that's really great. Do you listen? This is very fantastic. Do you listen? If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please hit the red button. Okay, hit the red subscribe button and also on the bell icon. So thanks for watching. If you like this, share it with your friends. Okay.